Well, the CDC and FDA are stopping the Johnson & Johnson vaccine for now. 41 NBC's Peyton Lewis tells us how health professionals locally are responding.
The FDA, CDC, and Georgia Department of Public Health urge all medical facilities and distribution sites to stop administering the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. This comes after 6 women became sick from a rare blood clot disorder and low platelet count, 6 to 13 days after receiving a dose. The Georgia Department of Public Health says it's putting all Johnson & Johnson vaccines on hold. Atrium Health Navicin in Macon has already distributed 45 doses of the vaccine. Chief Medical Officer Patrice Walker says although there have been around 6.8 million people to receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine nationwide, she's glad the CDC was able to find potential risks early on.
The fact that they were able to pick up on just a potential what we call safety signal means that the process is working.
Local pharmacies have also distributed several of the Johnson & Johnson vaccines too. The medicine stop in Warner Robins says they've had a lot of interest in the single-shot vaccine. Pharmacy owner Dara Patel says her pharmacy just got shipments and have already administered around 150 doses.
I called to follow up and make sure it was still okay to give it yesterday. And they were like, no, everything's good, go ahead and give it. And then the first thing this morning, they were like, they're recommending everybody stop giving it for now.
The medicine stop says they've only had a few complaints about side effects, like a sore arm or a rash, which is common with all 3 vaccines. However, Dr. Walker with Atrium Health Navicin says if you're experiencing stroke-like symptoms after receiving the vaccine, seek medical help immediately.
Headache or blurry vision, potentially a loss of a function of a limb, seizures, passing out. So if anyone experienced those symptoms, then we would, again, depending on the severity of those symptoms, suggest calling 911 or going to the emergency room.
In Macon, Peyton Lewis, 41 NBC News.
The CDC is currently researching a connection between the vaccine and blood clot disorder, but there's no word on when the vaccine will be administered again.